If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Photoshop lets you hide or show the content of layers or layer groups in a layered Photoshop document. To change the visibility of the content of a layer or layer group within the document window, click the Indicates Layer Visibility button at the left end of a layer or layer group to toggle its visibility on or off. When toggled on, an eye icon appears here. Alternatively, to only view a single selected layer in the document window, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard or Option for Max, and then click the Indicates Layer Visibility button of the layer or layer group to show. Doing this then hides the content of all other layers in the document window. This can help you focus on working with a specific layer's content without the distraction of the content on the other layers. To make the hidden layers visible again, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard or Option for Max, and then click the same Indicates Layer Visibility button again. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.